Hey guys, Gina here and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Target Tuesdays. So I am currently in the baby section because there was a great promo running on baby items. When you spend $100 or more, you're going to get a $20 Target gift card. This is on wipes, diapers, training pants, infant formula, baby food, baby toiletries, and bottles. Okay, so when you spend $100 or more, you're going to get $20 in a Target gift card. You can text BABY to 827438. You can find this coupon in your Target Cartwheel app, or you can find it in your physical ad. So let's just hop into it. So I have a mix match deal for you guys. So all of these coupons I'm going to mention you can find in your Target Cartwheel. You don't have to clip physical coupons. You just go to Target Cartwheel and load the one-time use coupons to your app. Okay, so what you're going to do is buy one box of the 504 count Pampers wipes. These guys are priced for $11.99. Then you're going to want to pick up a box of the Pampers Easy Ups. These guys are priced for $24.99. And then you're going to want to pick up two boxes of the Pampers Baby Dry. This is the 78 count. So these guys are priced for $24.29. So buy two of those. And then buy one box of the Huggies diapers. These guys are also priced for $24.29. So your total is going to be $109.85. Now we have great coupons to load to our Target Cartwheel app. So go ahead and load a 3-off-1 for the box Pampers. You can also load the 2-off-1 for Pampers. There's also a $2 off one for the Huggies. There's also a 4-off-1 boxed Easy Up pull-up in Cartwheel, and there's a $1.50 off one for the 504 count of wipes. So you will pay $97.50, but then you get back that Target gift card, that $20 Target gift card. So now we're at $77.35. But if you have Ibotta, check your Ibotta apps. There's still a $5 cash back on the boxed Easy Up training pants. So final cost after gift card and cash back and coupons is $72.35 for everything that I mentioned. So this is a great deal. And if I haven't mentioned before, Sawyer is 2 years old, and I've transitioned him into just using the Easy Ups because they work the exact same. So seeing as there's a higher value coupon for the Easy Ups and a cashback rebate, I would opt for switching. Instead of buying diapers for this current week, I would buy Easy Ups because they work the exact same. So this is the first scenario I'm sharing with you guys in the baby department, but I have a few more that I'm going to share with you guys. Alrighty guys, so what's awesome about this deal is you can also do this deal online as well. So if you go to target.com, you're going to be able to take advantage of this deal online as well. If you spend up to $100 in baby with the items that are included, you're going to get a Target gift card with your order at checkout. So this scenario you can go ahead and do in store, or you can do it online. So what you could do is pick up 5 boxes of the up&up brand diapers. This is the giant pack, so there are 160 diapers in it, so they are priced for $21.99. So you would get to $109.95, and then you're going to get a $20 Target gift card back. So final cost is $89.95 or $7.99 each, which is great. And you're gonna earn an extra 5% if you pay with your Target Red Card. If you're buying online, you're gonna get 5%. And if you're paying with your Red Card online, you're going to get free shipping. So I will have a link to the up&up box diapers in the description box. If you just want to opt to do this deal online, you could just do it online. You don't have to do the up&up diapers. You could do any brand diapers, but if you're going to do the name brand diapers, it's better to do it in store with the coupons we have available. But if you don't have coupons, you don't want to deal with coupons, just buy 5 of the up&up brand diapers online and then get that $20 gift card back with your online order. So this is so easy, you guys. So I love this deal. I love the baby deal. The next scenario I have for you guys is just on formula, because you guys have asked me to actually do some formula deals. So I'm going to go ahead and start adding those in here. So if you want to go the formula route, you can go ahead and buy 4 of these enfamil tubs. These are priced for $26.99. So go ahead and buy 4 of them. It comes to $107.96. And then you're going to get that $20 Target gift card back because it does qualify on formula purchases. So your final cost is $87.96 or $21.99 each. Now again, you could do this online, so if you just want to opt to buy your formula online, have it shipped to you, and then get a Target gift card, you can go ahead and do that. And remember, you're going to save 5% with your Target Red Card if you use your Red Card at checkout, and you're going to get free shipping online. So this is a great time to go ahead and stock up on formula. And then you can also use rebate checks. Don't forget about using the rebate checks. Unfortunately, the Gerber coupons are gone. They are expired, so we can't use those 5-off-1 Gerber coupons, but we're going to get a Target gift card back for buying formula. So it's essential, basically when you get back the Target gift card, it's almost like you're getting a free can of formula, just almost. Okay, so we have a nice little deal in the snack aisle. So this is going to be on the Nabisco wheat thins, also on the Ritz crackers. These guys are also on sale on 2 for $5. Also included is Triscuits. So these guys are priced 2 for $5, and we have a 25% Target cartwheel that you can use. You can use that cartwheel up to 4 times. And check your inserts because we have 75% off 2 coupons that you can go ahead and use. So this is a way to stack a high value cartwheel with a coupon and a sale price, and we have checkout 51 rebates, so you can go ahead and submit. So I think you can submit, let me see, you can submit $1 back on 2 to checkout 51, and this is a limit of 5. So this is a nice deal to go ahead and pair sale, coupon, rebate, and cartwheels. This is a great time to stock up on some Nabisco crackers here at Target. Okay, so this next deal is on Cinnamon Toast Crunch. So we have a 20% Target cartwheel for boxed Cinnamon Toast Crunch this week, and we have insert coupons that you can go ahead and pair with this deal. So just check your inserts for those coupons, and we have Savings Star rebates you can submit as well. So we have a nice little deal on these Starkist tuna packets. So this is the 1-pack tuna mix. So these guys are priced 5 for $5 or $1 each. So regular price is $1.29. So there's a sale price this week, so you can get these for just $1 each. So I think that's a really great savings. So you have a great promo in the meat section this week. So you're going to get a free Target gift card, $5 Target gift card when you purchase $20 or more in fresh, frozen, and deli. So just text grill to 827438, and you're going to get that coupon sent to your mobile device, or you can go ahead and use the coupon that's found in Cartwheel or in your actual physical ads. This is a great deal. So just pair your coupons, Ibotta offers with whatever you guys want to pick out. Okay, so we still have those buy one get one free coupons on coupons.com for the Breyers ice cream up here. It's the Delight. So they are 2 for $7 or $3.50 each, and we have that buy one get one free coupon, so you can get both of them for $3.50. And I actually tried the chocolate, and I also tried the cookies and cream, and they were both gone from my freezer. Okay, so the Simply Orange juice, these guys are priced for 2 for $6 or $3 each, and there is a printable $1 off 1 coupon that you can find on coupons.com, so that brings this guy down just to 2. Okay guys, so check your Ibotta rebates. So we have 75 cents on the Pkwy totals and also the Pkwy crossover yogurt. So they are $1.19 each at my store, so both varieties. So when you submit your cash back, it makes these guys 33 cents or 34 cents. You're gonna have to double check my math, but 34 cents after cash back for the Pkwy total. You can do it up to 3 times, and you can do that with the crossovers too. And again, I'm just reminding you guys, if you do Weight Watchers, the plain yogurt is 0 points on Weight Watchers if you do Weight Watchers. Not the case for these guys, but for the split cups, the plain yogurt on the side is 0 points on Weight Watchers. So what I've been doing is I've been picking up the split cup with the honey on the side. So I'll save the honey for my mom when she comes over to put like in her tea or on top of like a waffle or something, and then I'll just use the other side for the plain yogurt, so that I'm not wasting the honey side. So yeah, just a little tip if you guys want to go ahead and get cheap Greek yogurt with me and use it for 0 points but not waste the honey. And there's also a 10% Target cartwheel for the Pkwy yogurt on Cartwheel. So don't forget to add that to your checkout. If you're like me, I totally forgot about it. Oops, but yeah, add a 10% Target cartwheel for your Pkwy yogurt. Okay, so we also have a $1 off 1 coupon at coupons.com for the Dan Activia, or Active, whatever you want to call it. So these cups will come out to $1.59. So you can do basically anything from the Dan Active yogurt line. You can use that $1 off 1 coupon. Okay guys, so we have a great deal in the paper product aisle as well as the laundry aisle. So when you spend $25 or more, you're going to get a $5 Target gift card. To get this gift card, you want to text SAVE to 827438. You can find this in your Cartwheel app, or you can also find it in the physical ad. So right off the bat, we have 5% Target cartwheels for toilet paper, paper towels, and tissue. This is the up&up brand. So make sure you load those to your Target cartwheel if you want to go ahead and just do the up&up brand. So my scenario, you can do this in store, or yes, you can do this online. This is so awesome that you can do this online. So what you want to do is buy 3 of the up&up brand paper towels. These guys are priced for $8.49. So go ahead and buy 3 of them. So that comes out to $25.47. With your Target cartwheel, you're going to pay $24.20 for all 3. So final cost is $19.20 for everything. So you can do this in store. You can also do this online. So yes, you can add 3 packages of paper towels to your Target online cart, and then you're going to get a free $5 Target gift card at your checkout. So that's awesome. But I don't think you can use Target cartwheels online. So you would not save 5%, but you would make up that 5% if you're paying with your red card, because you get 5% on all purchases, and you'll get free shipping. So this is a really great deal. All right, you guys, so instead of showing you Tide scenarios, what I decided to do for this laundry deal is to share with you guys some natural laundry detergent options. So I'm sharing with you guys some of my favorite laundry products, and you can go ahead and do this at Target, and you can do this online. So if you just want to add this to your online Target cart, I will have links below. You guys can just click on the link and add it to your cart. So what you want to do is buy 1 of the Method laundry detergents. These guys are priced for So the Method laundry detergents, these guys are priced for $12.99. And then you want to go ahead and pick up 1 of the Method fabric softeners. So these guys are priced for $5.99. And then go ahead and add the Method fragrance boosters. I love these so much. They kill the pyrex crystals out of the water. So pick 1 of these guys up. These guys are $8.99. So your total is going to be $27.97, but then you're going to get back a $5 Target gift card. So final cost is $22.97 for everything. And then remember, if you're paying with your red card, you're going to get 5% off. You'll get 5% off if you pay with your red card online, and you're going to get free shipping if you purchase online. So you can do this deal in store or online. And remember, to get that coupon for the $5 Target gift card, just text SAVE to 827438. This is such a great promotion. So the next thing I'm going to share with you guys is the Mrs. Meyer's laundry detergent. So another deal you could do is on the Mrs. Meyer's lavender. I love this stuff so much. I'm telling you guys, wash your sheets with these, and when you lay in bed and you just smell it in, it's just gonna calm and relax you, and it is like it's heaven. It's the best thing ever. I highly recommend this stuff. I get mine from Grove, but if I can find you guys a deal on the Mrs. Meyer's in Target, I'm gonna share with you guys. So go ahead and pick 1 of the Mrs. Meyer's laundry detergents up for $12.49. They're out of the fabric softener here at my store, so that's how amazing this stuff is, because it's off the shelf. But the fabric softener is $8.99, and then go ahead and pick up 1 of the dryer sheets. The dryer sheets are priced for $7.49. So your total is going to be $28.97, but then you get back that $5 Target gift card. So final cost is $23.97 for everything, and then you get 5% off with your Target red card. And then if you buy online, you're going to get free shipping with your red card. So this is a great deal on some natural cleaners, and I think this is just such a fantastic deal. And I want to give a special hello shout out to my cashier Robert and his wife Angela. These 2 watch my videos, and he said he's been waiting for me, and I came in his checkout line. And Robert, you are the best Target cashier I have came in contact with. So I have raved about you at customer service so many times, and I look forward to going into your checkout lane. So on behalf of our couponing community, we thank you for being a fantastic and nice cashier with us crazy couponers. So okay, you guys, so my last deal that I'm going to share with you guys is something you do in store, or you can do it online, and this is something that you can treat yourself to with all those Target gift cards you guys are racking up this week. So it's on the Pyrex Bake-In store. I actually found this deal on Free Stuff Finder, so credit goes to Tina. You have the best Target deals. I saw this and I thought that this was perfect. So in my last recipe video, I mentioned a glass Pyrex dish. Here it is, you guys. If you guys do not have a set of the Pyrex bacon store, you definitely need to get one, because you can cook with it, and then there's a lid that you can put it into the refrigerator, and it is sealed for leftovers. So the 11-piece set is on sale for $24.99, so regular price is $30.99. So we are in wedding season. If you want to treat yourself to some Pyrex, go for it. This stuff lasts forever. So I think $6 savings on this guy is great. And then with all those Target gift cards we've earned with all these hot promos, you can go ahead and treat yourself to this, or, you know, buy it, save it for a wedding, save it for a gift, Christmas, mom, whoever, college. Kids are going to college. This is a great deal. So you can do this online too. So I have a link below if you guys just want to snag this online. Same price online. You get 5% with your Target Red card, and you're going to get free shipping. So thank you so much, Tina, for posting this deal, because I think it's excellent. So I will have Tina's channel in the description box too. I'm sure you guys all know about Free Stuff Finder, but I definitely want to give credit where credit is owed. So thank you, Tina. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, and I will talk to everyone later. Comment Target Tuesday below if you guys are excited for my Target in-store videos on Tuesdays. So I will talk to everyone later. Bye.